common injuries and accidents. Cut. A break in the skin caused by something sharp.
I accidentally cut my finger while chopping vegetables.
Bruise. A dark mark on the skin caused by a hit or fall.
He slipped on the stairs and got a bruise on his knee.
Burn. An injury caused by heat, fire, or a hot object.
I accidentally burned my hand on a hot pan.
Sprain. An injury to a ligament, usually in the ankle or wrist.
She sprained her ankle while playing basketball.
Fracture. A broken bone.
He suffered a fracture in his arm after falling off his bike.
Blister. A small bubble on the skin caused by rubbing or heat.
These new shoes gave me a blister on my heel.
Scratch. A small, shallow mark on the skin.
The cat scratched my arm while I was holding it.
Bump. A swollen area caused by hitting something.
I bumped my head on the cabinet and got a bump.
Nosebleed. Bleeding from the nose.
He got a nosebleed after being hit by the ball.
Sting. A painful injury caused by an insect.
I was stung by a bee while gardening.
Splinter. A small piece of wood stuck in the skin.
I got a splinter in my finger from the wooden fence.
Black eye. Dark bruising around the eye after a hit.
He showed up with a black eye after the accident.
Concussion. A brain injury caused by a blow to the head.
The doctor said she had a mild concussion.
Twisted ankle. An ankle injured by turning it awkwardly.
I twisted my ankle while running on an uneven path.
Broken tooth. A tooth that has cracked or broken.
He broke a tooth when he fell off his skateboard.
Swelling. An area of the body that becomes larger because of an injury or infection.
My ankle started swelling after I twisted it.
Cramp. A sudden, painful tightening of a muscle.
I got a cramp in my calf while swimming.
Whiplash. A neck injury caused by a sudden back and forth movement of the head, often in a car accident.
He got whiplash in a car accident.
Side stitch. A sharp pain in the side of your body, often caused by running or exercise.
I got a stitch in my side while running.